On today's episode of Food We Found in Our Fridge, let's have a look. My worker pointed out there's a pie here that needs rehydrating. That's fine. Oh, what do you got? Leg ham. What's that date there? 15th of April 19. Okay, we're only 21, so it's nearly only 2 years over. That's fine. Well, we've got some hummus. I don't know whose that is. Oh, yeah. Is that your yogurt, Brent, or whose is that?
That's not mine, that's probably yours.
No, it's not mine. December, that's out of date too. That's fine.
Was it 1918?
Okay, what about butter? We've got 3 lots of butter in here. Is that, oh, hang on, look at that. That's a nice looking apple there.
Was it now?